All right, we had uh, this all this seeds and stuff left over from bell peppers. We had these inside, but the bell peppers themselves actually kind of started going, turning oozy, right? Some parts of it are probably still good, but other parts are not. But I wanted to bring this out here, and it was going towards the compost, but had all these seeds. So what I've done is this and this were sitting over here in the weeds, so I cleaned them up, and I got the whatever weeds that were growing in them out, turned the dirt up with my hands, right, and then I put bell pepper seeds in each one of these, and then turned it up with my hands, covered the seeds. And these were old pots that roses had come in several years back, and these were down in the cellar. So I did the same thing with these. I just took whatever junk that was on them and pitched it, and churned it up with my fingers. So I got several of them. Got an empty one there too, but several of those. Right, I'd gotten them out from under the house in the cellar. So I've already got some of these bell pepper seeds in there. This was out in the backyard, had a bunch of leaves and little vines and things growing out of it, but I pulled all that out. And as you can see, I'm putting a bunch of bell pepper seeds in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them sit here in all these, and hopefully they'll sprout, within the next 2 weeks. And once they've gotten, I don't know, so tall, then I can dig them out of here and transplant them elsewhere. And look at that, still got a bunch of seeds to go. So this one, see, I'm just going to turn them into the dirt like this, and they'll do fine. They'll just sit in here, and even if some of them are showing, that's fine. They like sunshine. Once they get sunshine, they want to sprout for some crazy reason. There are peppers I put in the ground that seem like they never sprout, and then others, I can just drop them on the ground. They sit there in the sunshine, and then they get wet and start sprouting. I don't know. Life's crazy sometimes, but that's just the way things are. All right, so now, because I've got a bunch of bell pepper seeds left, I need to find me another container. Well, all right, well, of course, my little garden there, I was doing the same thing with tomatoes that were going bad in the house. So I've got 4 tomatoes there, and then 2 peppers, and that onion. I need to get that in the dirt too. And of course, in there you can see that onion was a white onion, and this was one white onion that was in the house. I went ahead and stuck them in the dirt there, just so they'd be growing. Give them some nutrition from the compost I've been building in there. But yeah, I've just been slowly adding stuff. Added some dirt, added some other odds and ends, and I'm getting ready to go get some dirt from the back of the yard. That's been back here for compost for a good while. I'll put a layer of that on here, and so I'll do a video on that. Oh, look at these pretty little flowers that bloomed right here. I never even knew there were flowers right here. Look at that. So what do you call these? I don't know what you call these, but they're really pretty little flowers. Yeah. I don't know. Are these daylilies? These aren't daylilies. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty. So they just popped up here, and there's another one there. That one doesn't have flowers on it yet. But with my lawnmowers needing work, I haven't mowed the yard, and I've discovered that I'd been mowing down pretty little flowers the whole time and didn't even know it. So pretty flowers right next to my yucky compost thing here. And I got all these cardboard boxes here for laying down on the ground for some other raised bed spots. I know it looks like heck right now, but if you follow my videos, you know, you'll be able to see the progression of my raised bed gardens and my no-dig type gardening. But back there, I'm going to do a lot of digging. A lot of digging, but that's okay. All right. That's going to be a lettuce garden. Right there's going to be a lettuce garden. Different types of lettuces. Things that like shade. All right. Well, I'll let you know how my peppers do. I do have a lot more types of peppers I'm going to try to get going here soon. But this looks like a big mess, but eventually it's going to turn into something nice. All those jars, I'm going to clean them up and get them in the house. And I've got a ton more under the house. I got a bunch in storage somewhere and some out in the shed. I'll be getting all those together and cleaning them up. All right, talk to you later. All right, got work to do.